Hi friends, this video shows how to bring back missing back, home and recent buttons. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. So here back, home and recent buttons are not visible. Those buttons are missing. I will show you how we can bring back. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, go to gestures, tap here. Tap on navigation mode. Here you can see two options: gesture navigation, 3-button navigation. Right now I am using gesture navigation. That is the reason 3 buttons are not visible here. Let me select 3-button navigation. Tap here. Done. So now we can see 3 buttons here: back button, home button, then recent button. Let me tap on back button. See, it's working. Tap on recent button, working. Tap on home button, see, working. So this way we can fix this issue. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.